Okay, and this one, notice what they're asking, write the slope-intercept form of the equation of each line. Our slope-intercept form is our y equals mx plus b, where you can see the slope and the y-intercept and you can see the slope. So that's why it's called the slope-intercept form. We have an equation, so all we have to do is follow through and make sure that it becomes, or that you make it into the format of this y equals mx plus b. According to PEMDAS, right, when we follow PEMDAS. We take care of our parentheses. Can we simplify anything in there? No. We take care of our exponents. Is there any exponents here? Our multiply and divide. Okay, in this case we can multiply and divide. We're multiplying 1/2 times x. That's just 1/2 x. 1/2 times 2, remember? You can either think of it as 2 over 1. So you're multiplying 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is, 2 times 1 over here, is also a 2. So when you divide that or reduce that, you end up with 1/2 x plus 1. Another way of looking at it would be, you know what, these two, the 2 in the bottom and the 2 on top of here, they cancel each other out, leaving only the 1. That's why our answer was 1. We also need to continue leaving the y by itself. So in this case here, now we already simplified the right side. There's nothing to simplify on the left. Now we can undo. Now we can go this way. So we have to take care of all of our adding and subtracting first. So in this case it's the 1, right? We're adding 1. We need to leave the y alone. So doing the inverse of adding, it will be subtracting. So now we've isolated the y. We have our 1/2 x. We're not going to subtract 1 from this one because this term is an x term, and this 1 is a constant term, so I'm going to put it right below the other constant term. It just so happens that it becomes 0. So our final answer here, we can make that 0 invisible, and we have y equals 1/2 x. It is in this format, and we are finished.